Welcome to our channel.
Today we have selected 4 identities in random. I am going to prove 2 identities and my brother is going to prove 2 identities.
The 2 identities I am going to prove is a plus b the whole square and a plus b plus e the whole square.
And I am going to prove a square minus b square and a minus b the whole square.
Today we are going to see the model of the identities. The first model of identities we are going to see is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. To prove any equation, you should prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. For the left hand side, I have taken the square of a plus b the whole square. This blue line is a and this pink line is b. This is a plus b the whole square. And for the right hand side, I have taken the square of a square, square of b and the 2 rectangles of AB. To prove the equation, we must fit these 4 pieces into this big square. First, we should keep the a square over here and the b square over here and one AB over here, another AB over here. This fits perfectly, hence formula is proved. The second identity we are going to prove is a plus b plus c the whole square. We know that the a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc 2ca. For the left hand side, I have taken the a plus b plus c the whole square. The blue line is a, the pink line is b and the green line is c the whole square. For the right hand side, I have taken the a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. To prove the equation, we have to check that this squares and the rectangle fit to this big square. First, we should keep the a square over here, b square over here, c square over here, two AB over here, one AB over here, another AB over here, and the BC over here, and the CA square over here. All perfectly fit in this a plus b plus c the whole square, hence proved.
Hi guys, I am going to prove that a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I have taken this blue line as a and this pink line as b, and when we fold this is a minus b the whole square. This is a square and this is b square, and these 2 rectangles are a into b. When we add a square plus b square, you get a figure like this, and these 2 AB should be removed from this a square plus b square. And we are going to prove that this yellow square is equal to this blue square, and this should be cut out, and this yellow square is equal to this blue square. Since the yellow part fits the blue part, the formula is proved. Now I am going to prove that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is a square and this is b square. When we remove this a b square, we get this, as I have removed the b square already. Now this is a square minus b square. And I have made a rectangle of a plus b into a minus b, as this is a plus b and this is a minus b. Now to prove this equation, I have to cut this part and fit it into here. Now I have cut this part into two and I have to fit this into this, and this perfectly fits into the a square minus b square. Hence proved. Hope you understand identities by our model.
We will try to upload a plus b the whole cube in our upcoming videos, which is three-dimensional model. Thank you. Bye.